Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to do Charizard in 8 different styles. So here I have my drawing. Now let's just divide the page into 8. So we have divided the page into 8. Now let's just do our first style, which is the original style. So we finished with the original style. Now let's get in the second one, which is the eye style. So we're done with the eye style. Now let's just do the horror style. Moving into the fourth style, we're going to be doing the glitch effect. The glitch effect is done. Now let's just move to the fifth one, which is the coloring pencil. This is not a style, but it's kind of like an art supply, but you can call it realism if you want. So we're finished with the coloring pencils or realism. Now let's just move on to the drip effect. With the drip effect, now let's just do the wood style. This is kind of new to me because I've never done this before. So last but not the least, we have come to our final style, which is the pixel style. So here we have it, Charizard in 8 different styles. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video as I did making this video for you guys. And do comment down below which style was your favorite one. Well, this is all for me. If you guys like this video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel because there will be more of this video coming up. And do comment down below if you want to see more of these 8 style drawings. See you in my next video.